Hello, Amelia here from Doxy.me. Let's take a quick look at analytics, helping you better understand how virtual care is happening in your practice. With analytics, you can quickly see visit activity, track usage over time, and spot patterns in your workflow. Getting started is easy. Just open Analytics from the sidebar, choose the date range you want to view, and review your key metrics. You'll see helpful details like total sessions, total session minutes, and average session time, giving you a quick snapshot of how Doxy.me is being used. Below that, the activity graph helps you see trends over time, like busier months, slower periods, or changes in visit volume. If your account includes access to multiple rooms, you may also be able to filter analytics by room to focus on the activity that matters most to you or your team. From tracking usage to understanding visit patterns, analytics helps turn your Doxy.me activity into useful insights.